testing out the new tornado warning. It's down by the community center now instead of where it used to be, up by Mount Vernon Baptist Church. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can hear it pretty good. Doesn't seem as loud as the other one. Pretty good. If it's thunder booming out here, might not be able to hear it. There we go. Okay, now it's spinning around our side. Yeah, pretty good. All right. Always good to know you got tornado warnings close. There's the statue. There's Papa's statue. She says, what is that noise? I'm used to it. Oh, must have been doing two of them. There goes another one winding down. Awesome, we got two out here by the lake now.